Hi everyone, let's see how to install and activate the LoRa parking sensor. There are two types, surface-mounted and embedded. For surface-mounted, mark and drill holes. Align with the device and fix with 3M650 flathead screws. For embedded type, position the center half the width and length of the space. Step 2. Drill the hole. For model KVS-PS-IG001, use a 120 mm diameter drill bit with 80 mm depth. For model KAVASS-IG002, use a 140 mm diameter drill bit with 90 mm depth. Step 3. Add the filling material. Mix sand, cement, and leak stopper 2:1:1. Add water and stir slightly dry. Step 4. Insert the mounting bracket. Step 5. Place the device and press down to ensure it is level with the ground. Remove excess concrete and wipe the surface clean to prevent solidification on the device. Step 6. Activate the device. First, add the device on the platform. Go to Device Management, Geomagnetic List. Add. Enter the sensor ID, parking lot, and berth number. Then, log into the Geomagnetic app. Go to Geomagnetic. Start 1. Install. QR code. Scan the QR code on the sensor, then enter the same berth number to activate. Step 7. No car calibration. Once the device is online, go to Calibrate. QR code on the app, scan the sensor, then move 1-2 meters away and tap Start Calibration. When calibration is complete, you can start testing. If a vehicle is above the sensor, the platform shows status, parking. If no vehicle is present, it shows status, no car. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit www.ikavass.com or contact our sales team at info@ikavass.com.